Hey there! Let's get started on importing a template into your AI chatbot. First, pick the bot you want to enhance with a new template. Once you've chosen your bot, head over to the chat flow editor. Now, select Import Template. Browse through the available templates and pick the one that best fits your needs. Then, confirm your choice. Next, customize the template by changing the text and messages to match your purpose. If you want your customers to ask more questions, add the ChatGPT element. Make sure to place this element at the end of your chat flow and update the predefined message to suit your scenario. Decide on the number of messages you want your bot to exchange with customers. Remember to connect the previous message to the ChatGPT element, ensuring a smooth transition in the conversation. Finally, give your bot a test run to make sure everything is working perfectly. Happy chatbot building!